Okay, today we're going to take a look at the Smart Control Panel. These are Android 14 Smart Control Panels that we're going to be using for air shield, IP cameras, intercom technology. This one here is the SCP-3044A, so this must be the 42A. Right, let's get these devices out, let's do a comparison, let's find out what they can do and how well they do it. Now, let's take 10 seconds to look at the AI generated comparison between these two models. Okay, that image helped with specifications. Now let's look at design of the products. Now, let's take a look at the 42A. Now, in the 42A, it has S at the end of the model number. S is for surface, and that will explain this. So, the complete opposite then. Now we are looking at the 3044A. So, to my fellow installers, that is something that you're going to need to acknowledge, because when you put one of these up, the high probability is you're going to need one of these. So, how is the best way to put on the APK on the Smart Control Panel? It's best to use a USB like this with the C-type. Plug it in, files, and you'll see USB drive on the left. Now install the APKs that you wish.